Companies typically analyze their actual data using SQL, leveraging dimensional structures such as OLAP cubes. However, these systems are not suitable for planning purposes. Planning is usually carried out in Excel, which lacks dimensional and transactional capabilities. As a result, the analysis of actual and planned data occurs separately on independent platforms, making it difficult to gain a comprehensive view of business performance. ABUX bridges this gap by integrating the capabilities of both SQL-based database management and Excel. It provides the capability for cost allocations across dimensions and enables product-level cost planning. ABUX allows users to access and analyze both actual and planned data within a single interface, providing a holistic view that was previously unattainable with separate systems. This integration emphasizes its self-service nature, empowering users to independently manage and import data without relying on extensive IT infrastructure support. Consequently, users gain greater autonomy and flexibility in their data management and analysis processes. Discover your possibilities with the ABUX financial budgeting and analyzing tool.